people. So you know what, among the many videos that I make, the videos that do well are the ones that are the product reviews, you know. So I never realized that far more than any other hair care tips and skincare tips, people like to watch product reviews. So this is a random thing called Green Chef Namo IB pressure cooker. And no, yeah, the most amazing thing, uh, that's what I had been to this home appliances store just on Saturday, and it was such an eye-opening experience because yeah, the last time I visited, pressure cookers used to be had to be conventionally put on a gas, but apparently this particular brand, Green Chef, you can even put it on a convection cooktop, you know, induction cooktop. And now induction cooktop has become such that you can put any, even a steel plate on it, as long as it's a flat surface, it will heat up, you know. I didn't know that earlier induction cooking needed exactly induction vessels for it to work. But yeah, so this Green Chef is also a good brand. This home appliance store that I went to, I've come to really trust those people, because sometimes you can trust people, right? That they are giving you a good product. So when it comes to cookers, I've never heard of this particular. It's a new brand in the market, but it's called Green Chef pressure cooker. Okay, already 1 minute 30-second video. And so on that note, I'll catch you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. And so thanks for watching, and please subscribe.